Hi there everyone, my name is Andre and I am the sales engineer for the Manage Engine New Zealand team. Today I'm here to talk to you about managing your Active Directory and having too many administrators. So did you know one of the core security risks when managing AD is too many admins in Active Directory? Every additional administrator causes linear to exponential growth in risk. This is because if a single admin is compromised by hackers, this can result in the security breach of all the admins in your organization's AD. So how can we have a solution without elevating users' privileges in the AD, but still allow these users to perform these administrative tasks? This can be achieved with delegation feature included in ADManager Plus. This feature helps administrators to assign or delegate selected activities to non-administrative desk users. Over here, this is where we have ADManager Plus. So with ADManager Plus, it follows a non-inclusive method. So what is a non-inclusive method? This is without elevating the user's privilege in AD, you can make non-admins perform AD tasks, administrator tasks. So the first thing over here to perform these tasks, you would have to go into the delegation tab. Followed by that, we have help desk roles that can be set for unique users. So it can range from HR to level 1 support and so on. In this case, we would like to create a role for a HR user. For our HR user, we would like to be able to give them the administrative privilege to create users. So we would create our role name over here, HR, and add a description if you'd like. And this is where from ADManager you can have a range of administrative tasks and roles you can assign to ADManager technicians. So in this case, we would like our HR to be able to create users in Active Directory via ADManager Plus. This will be very beneficial for them during the onboarding process. So in this case, you also have multiple options where you can perform computer management tasks, group management, contact, mailbox, and more. In this case, we would only like to allow our HR users to create users. So I have checked in the create users, and also if I'd like to specify if they would like to create users in bulk, as well as single users, you can choose them accordingly as per your requirements for your HR. Now I would hit save, and now we will have a role name that is already created. In this case, we see there is already a role name that exists. So now we can go back to our delegation tab. Upon doing this, now we would like to add a new technician. This can be done firstly where you choose your domain, and then also choose the technician group or specific technicians as per your requirements. In this case, let's choose a group of technicians that we have. So if we chose desk group 330 and OK, and then this is where we would choose the respective role that we have configured in ADManager Plus. If I wanted to look for that recent HR role that I had created, simply check the box and the role is assigned in the box here. Now also for selecting OUs, you have the option to choose which containers you would like this user to have access to. In this case, I would like them to have access to all the OUs. Now finally, we see the impersonate as admin. This is where, when it is checked, this particular user will use the administrative privileges for performing tasks such as creating the users. So how does it use this administrative privileges? This is done by the service account that is set up in the domain settings of ADManager Plus. So it would use the credentials of the administrator service account for performing these tasks. However, if you would like accountability of how these and who these changes are being made by, this is where with ADManager Plus, For users that are impersonated as admins, we have audit reports that give us a report of the users in ADManager Plus that have performed these administrator tasks. As well as that, we also have admin audit reports where you can view all the changes that have been made by your admin. Thank you very much for tuning into our video on delegation with ADManager. If you'd like to know more about delegation, as well as the additional features that are available with ADManager Plus, feel free to reach out to our Manage Engine New Zealand team at sales@manageengine.co.nz, and we will be happy to assist. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.